Hi, I'm Lizzie. I work at the Monroe County Public Library, and today we are going to be making scratch art. This is my example of what it's going to look like when you're done, but all you need to do this is a piece of cardstock or regular white paper, some brightly colored pencils, a black crayon, and something pointy to scratch your art into the final product. And this is a skewer, but you can use anything that's kind of pointy, including your fingernail if you want to get black crayon underneath your fingernail. So this is how the process works. First, we're going to take our colored pencils and our paper. And I think it's helpful to mark out the space that I'm going to be using. So I'm making a circle. And then you're going to want to just color in, and you can fill it up with color. You can use any colors you want, make any patterns. Just make sure you make it pretty dark, because you're going to want this to show through. We're going to put crayon on top of it. So I'm going to fill this in. Okay, so I've finished doing all of my coloring, and now I'm going to take my black crayon and I'm just going to color over the whole thing. So we're going to try to cover it up as much as possible. We want to just see black when we're done. So I have covered my entire area of color with the black now, and it can be kind of hard to get it to cover, so it's helpful to go in sort of a crosshatch pattern sometimes, do swirls, whatever you can do to make it as much black as possible. So now we get to do the fun part. This is my skewer, and you can use whatever you're using that's pointy to scratch off the black crayon and reveal the colors that are underneath. And you can make pictures, patterns, you can write notes, you can practice writing your name. Anything you want to do with this ends up looking pretty cool, because you can see how the colors change as you go in different spots. So this is your scratch art, and I hope you guys try it, and we would love to see what you make with it.